guys, welcome back to Arida's Kitchen. Well, today I'll be preparing some brown stew chicken foot, Jamaican style. And here I have my seasoning that I'm going to put on my chicken foot. Over here I have my browning and my butter bean. Yes, so first what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by adding my seasoning. First, I'm going to add some garlic powder, some Maggi all-purpose, some Maggi chicken seasoning, black pepper, salt. Gonna add some more chicken seasoning. Yes guys, so now I'm gonna add my browning. So guys, I'm gonna add my browning now. Okay. Now I'm gonna rub this in. What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna use the pressure cooker to cook my chicken foot. Yes, because it takes a little time. Yes guys, so I'm gonna season it. So here I have my chicken foot all seasoned up. So these are the season that I'm using. I'm using some carrot and garlic, sweet pepper, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and some pimento seed. This is all you will need. Okay guys, so I'm going to start my cooking process now. I'm not going to leave this to marinate. I'm just going to go ahead and cook it right now. So stay tuned. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start now by browning up my chicken foot. And then after it brown up, I'm going to add some water to it and start the pressuring. So guys, I'm going to add my water in there now because it's all brown up. And this is not going to take very long to cook because I'm going to pressure it. Okay guys? So I'm going to give this maybe like, alright, so after 15 minutes of cooking my chicken foot, pressuring it, I'm going to start now by adding my seasoning. And as soon as my seasoning, like my carrot, cook, I'm going to have my butter bean. So I'm just going to cover this right now and just let it come together. Alright guys, so I'm going to add my butter beans. And you know, once the butter bean go inside, it's not going to stay on the fire for too long. Alright guys, and you know as time goes by, you're going to taste your pot. Yes, and what I love to use in my brown stew is a little bit of brown sugar, which I added that already. Yes, so I'm just going to let this stay on the fire for maybe 2 to 3 minutes and then I'll show you my finished dish. So guys, here is my finished brown stew chicken foot, Jamaican style. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.